Connections. Today I will show you how to create running total. How to create running total without writing manual DAX code. Okay. Uh, this can be achieved by Power BI using a method. So let's jump into our dataset at first. You can see this is a simple dataset of e-learning data where enrollment ID, learner ID, course ID, enrollment date and revenue is there. And in the F column, running sum is there. I took I already imported the data from A column to E column, but F column we will achieve this F column in Power BI. So let's jump into our Power BI. So I already imported the data and I took a simple table where enrollment date and sum of revenue is there. Now we need to add the running total or running sum. So how we can achieve it without writing manual DAX code? We need to use quick measure. After clicking on quick measure, you need to select the running total calculation. Let me scroll down running total. See running total is there. Click on it. Here the base value will be revenue or sum of revenue and field will be enrollment date, and let's say the client requirement is this in descending order, so I will take descending order. Now click on this add button. See, a new DAX code come automatically, and now let me take this DAX code into the table. So in this table I will check this checkbox and this DAX code came, and let us check. Yes, since it is a descending order, so the 720 is showing you at first. Okay, if you want you can make it in ascending order also. You can edit this DAX code as per your wish. Here you can give descending order also. Yeah, see, after giving descending order, see 120, 120 plus 60, 180, 180 plus 120, 300, like this way everything is matching. See, 120, 180, 300, 660, 660, 720. So like this way you can automate your task. So thank you for watching this video.